Hi friends, today we are going to solve maximum perimeter triangle problem from the greedy algorithm part. So the problem statement given here is given an array of sticks length, use 3 of them to construct a non-degenerate triangle. So basically we have to construct a triangle where we have to make sure that the square of the two sides of the triangle should be greater than or equal to the third largest side. So this is the basic idea. As you know, the triangle formula, which would be a square plus b square should be greater than or equal to c square. And these all a and b value could be interchanged among themselves. So basically you have to make sure that whichever three sides we are choosing should satisfy this condition. So basically there would be an array provided, and we have to make sure we have to take the largest sides of the triangle that would be able to form a triangle. So this is the basic concept. As greedy approach, we would be first sorting the array. Sticks equal to sorted sticks true. For I in range 0 to length of sticks minus 2 if sticks we're just basically applying this formula that I've written earlier. A square plus b square should be greater than equal to c. So you'll be writing that formula. I hope you understand why you're sorting the element first. Basically, this is a greedy approach, so you'd be trying that by taking the largest element, and from the largest side you'd be moving to the smaller sides if it's not able to form a triangle with the largest elements of the values. Should be greater than equal to, and this triangle this side that we are taking should be the largest among them. So basically it would be the ith one. Basically you have to return a list and the list returned should be in ascending order, which should be taken care of. As you could see, the output here is 1 3 3 1 2 3. All of them are in ascending order. And if you're not able to find any list that satisfies this condition, we'd be returning -1, and it should be also be in list. Because it requires a list because it's performing a join statement. As you can see, it passed the test cases. Let's submit it. I hope it would pass all the test cases. Yes, it passed all the test cases. So send me your feedbacks, any areas where you believe that I could improve, and if you have a better approach of doing the same problem with an even better time complexity, with even lesser time complexity to be exact, and if you have a way to solve this problem in even easier way to understand this problem, if you find it complicated, if you have a better approach, if you think there is an easier way to solve this problem, not on just time complexity, but the lines of code that I have written or the amount of understanding required. If you could able to solve this problem with then much more ease that anybody could, if anybody would see their problem, would be able to solve it in an instant, comment below. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.